Today we are checking out a compact and affordable projector, and this video is sponsored by AliExpress, one of the world's largest online shopping platforms, offering a huge selection of electronics and other products from different brands and sellers around the world. This is the Magcubic L018 smart portable projector, and if you are looking for an affordable projector for movies, gaming or everyday entertainment at home, this one comes with quite a few useful features. Starting with picture quality, the L018 has a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, so you are getting full HD projection, which is enough to watch movies, YouTube, gaming and other content. Brightness is rated at 650 ANSI lumens. Like most compact LED projectors, you will get a good picture quality in a darker environment, so this should work particularly well for bedrooms, movie rooms or nighttime viewing. One of the biggest advantages of using a projector is obviously screen size, and the L018 supports projection sizes from approximately 30 inches all the way up to 300 inches. So depending on your room and projection distance, you can create anything from smaller bedroom setup to a seriously large home theater experience. Setup is also designed to be very simple. The projector features automatic keystone correction, which helps straighten the image when the projector is not positioned perfectly in front of your screen or wall. It also has automatic focus, so instead of manually adjusting the lens every time you reposition the projector, it can automatically help bring the image into focus. Another good thing about the L018 is its portable design. It weighs approximately 1.7 kilograms, so it's very easy to move between different rooms or take with you when needed. The adjustable stand also gives you more flexibility when positioning the image. Instead of always needing a perfectly positioned table or projector mount, you can change the projection angle depending on your setup. The L018 uses an LED light source rated for more than 30,000 hours of operation, which means you don't have to worry about frequently replacing traditional projector lamps. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, which is useful if you want to connect an external Bluetooth speaker for a bigger and more immersive sound experience. However, there is already a built-in speaker, so you don't necessarily need an additional sound system for casual viewing. A remote control is also included, allowing you to navigate through the interface and control the projector without having to constantly walk over to the unit. And because of its compact design, you can easily use it in different situations. Overall, the Magcubic L018 packs a good amount of functionality into a relatively compact projector. You're getting native 1080p resolution, 650 ANSI lumens, automatic keystone correction and focus, Bluetooth connectivity and built-in speaker, up to a 300-inch projected image, and an LED light source rated for more than 30,000 hours. So if you are looking for a simple and portable way to bring a much bigger screen into your home without investing in a large TV, the Magcubic L018 is definitely an interesting option to check out. This is all for today's review. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.